Hey honey bunny, it is your sis Rocky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing kind of an experiment to see what is a better sealant, butter or grease. So if you're interested in this video, go ahead and stay tuned, but make sure you comment below what you use, like this video, and let's just hop right in. Okay, so we're going to be doing an experiment to see what is a better sealant, a shea butter based sealant or a mineral oil based sealant. And the moisturizer I will be using is Maui Moisture's Smooth and Repair Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for frizzy and unruly hair. It's silicone free, paraben free, gluten free, SLS free, sulfate free, synthetic dye free, and it's vegan, eco-friendly, and it uses pure coconut water and pure aloe juice. It can be used as a deep treatment or it can also be used as a leave-in. It smells so good. It smells just like vanilla bean. On the left side, I'm going to be using the Jane Carter Solutions Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. The first ingredient is shea butter. It has soybean oil, jojoba oil, sunflower seed wax, fragrance, and mango seed butter. So this is obviously a shea butter based butter. And the directions say take a small amount, melt into hand, and apply to wet or dry hair. Style. It may be used all over your body as well. This does smell really good. I just want to put that out there. Now I did come to find that I am not a huge fan of glycerin, and this product obviously has glycerin. So this will be the last Maui Moisture product that I use. So I figure if I really want to see if these can seal my hair, using it with this product would be really good because my hair doesn't respond that well to glycerin. So if one of these sealants is able to lock in this moisturizer, I know it's doing something. Like, I know it's doing something. So for the right side, the mineral oil sealant I will be using is called Nature's Blessings. And this product contains no animal products, no harsh or harmful chemicals, and no artificial ingredients. So the ingredients include nettle, rosemary, sage, peppermint, thyme, alfalfa, pure virgin olive oil, pure coconut oil, sage oil, rosemary oil, bergamot oil, chlorophyll from nettle and spinach, pure mineral jelly, natural fragrance, and good intention. This is actually called a hair pomade, and it claims to be a conditioner, a restorer, and a root builder. This would be considered more of a healthy grease because it does contain mineral oil, but the manufacturers of this specific grease do really try to infuse the grease with beneficial oils as well. So if you're going to go the grease route, I highly recommend Nature's Blessings. I get it off of Amazon, and you can get a lot of these for a pretty decent amount. I used to use this all the time when I was relaxed, and once I went natural, I stopped using it because, you know, every natural is obsessed with oil, so I just felt like that was the route to go. But I am back experimenting with greases. Mineral oil has a bad rep, but if I'm going to use it, I want to use a mineral oil that's infused with a whole bunch of good stuff. So that's why I really like this one. So if you haven't tried Nature's Blessing and you love to use grease, I would highly recommend this. On these two I use the grease, and then on these two I use the shea butter. If you have type 4 hair, as you can see, my hair is clumped. This is a way to unravel your hair and keep elongation and keep definition and keep your hair moisturized for a longer period of time. I do know it's very popular to have big, huge, fluffy hair, but when you're type 4, sometimes doing all that isn't very beneficial. So sometimes I do like to keep my hair clumped and defined, and I usually can get way more days out of my style when I leave it like this. So there's a little tip. On the left side I use the Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter, and then on the right side I use the hair pomade. I honestly feel like both sides look and feel very similar. There's not much difference from one to the other. Both sides feel hydrated. Both sides feel a little bit greasy, like there is a little bit of an oil residue on my fingers. I feel like First Day Results never give you like the real deal honest opinion on how much something is going to long-term benefit your hair. So I do like to come back like a few days later, show you what my hair looks like, show you how my hair held up. So this is my First Day Results. As you can see, everything is very moisturized, everything is very hydrated, everything is very sealed in. I feel like my First Day Results are very good. But let's see what my hair looks like the second day. Honestly, I feel like they both worked the same. I feel like my hair looked really good the first few days. The moisture was sealed in. This is 5th day hair. I don't typically go this long without restyling my hair, but I really want to see how they worked as sealants and which one was better. My honest opinion is they both work the same. I honestly think they're both great as sealants. Now, my preference would be the butter. If I'm going to pick one, I would actually prefer to pick the one that's closer to nature, that's more of a natural product, and I feel like shea butter in my lifestyle is more of a natural product. But if you do like grease, I would highly recommend using Nature's Blessings because they have really great ingredients. I was using them when I was relaxed and it really worked really well for my hair, and I feel like they're the most close, or they are the closest to natural on the market in my opinion. So if you haven't checked them out, you can't buy them in stores, but you can find them online. I think the product is made in New York and it is a small business, and I totally recommend supporting small businesses. So check them out if you do like to use greases, and please support them like that, because I feel like oil kind of penetrates my hair better and I don't have that leftover residue feeling. But because these are sealants, sealants are not created to penetrate your hair. It's created to seal everything in. The residue was a bit much for me, so I will play around with it a little bit more just to get the perfect portion for me. But I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!